if you have been using this knob over here, I mean the swing knob, then you need to watch this video very very well, because I'm going to show you the thing that you might be doing that is changing the vibe, I mean the groove of your beat. All right, if you use this particular swing knob over here. If you're ready, let's do this right after the intro. Okay, so the name is Gosai and I'm a music producer. I take you through everything you need to know about music production. So what I want you to do is to go to the comment section and type. If you knew this trick, just type I already know this. Or if you are new to this thing that I'm going to show you, then guys, let me also know in the comment section. So if you have been using this particular string knob here, there's something that you are doing wrong, and I'm going to show you something. Okay, so let's go for percussions. All right, super simple. We're gonna, okay, so let's create a simple groove. We're gonna change the BPM from 130 to, let's say, 110. So let's create a simple Afrobeat groove over here, drum pattern. So I want you to take a good listen to this, and I'm gonna layer it with this. Let's add some kicks, 4-step. All right, so you can actually hear that this doesn't sound real. All right, so we mostly add the swing knob over here, a little bit swing, and I want you to use good headsets and monitors to hear what the swing gonna do. All right, so I'm gonna solo the rim shot or the snare. Listen to this alone. Okay, let me even copy this and paste it over here. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. So let's listen to the snare, and listen once I push the string knob all the way up. All right, so this swing knob is like it's skipping some of the notes over here and playing the next note. I don't know whether you get what I'm trying to say. So the more you push this swing knob all the way up, the more you're gonna do things crazy. All right, so you can actually hear at this point it sounds great and it sounds realistic. And one thing I want you to put in your mind is that any swing that you apply here gonna affect all the percussions over here. So listen once I push the string knob all the way up again. Alright, so you can actually hear it has changed the groove. So if you are using this particular string knob, make sure you are using it well. Alright, so let me add some melodies. Let's go for FL keys. I'm gonna add a simple chord progression. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Okay, so let's go to the piano roll option. Develop a simple chord progression. I'm going to show you something. Now I want you to take a good listen to this chord progression alone. All right, and guys, are you aware that this swing knob is affecting the way this chord progression gonna play? Now let's reset everything and listen to it once again. So I'm gonna make this like arpeggio. Let's hit Alt plus T. Alright, so in order for you to hear the effect well, I've converted everything to be like a chopper roll. Now listen. and I'm gonna accept. Now let's add the swing knob and listen to how it's gonna play. Can you actually hear the difference? Without the swing, listen. And with the swing, listen. So any swing that you apply here, it's gonna affect this instrument that you're gonna add to your beat. All right, so what you need to do, if you don't want the swing knob over here, if you don't want the swing to affect your instrument, what you need to do is to click over here, then go to the detail settings, come to this, and make sure you turn off this swing knob all the way down like this. All right, and this gonna exempt the instrument. Now listen to the groove now. All right, so I'm gonna add this over here. Let's cut this. So now listen, we're gonna change it to song. And you can actually exclude any instrument that you don't want the swing to affect by just clicking on that particular element, then go to this miscellaneous function and make sure you turn off this swing knob all the way down. All right, super crazy. And so you can actually hear the groove of the cake has been changed. This is super simple. So anytime you want to add swing, be careful, don't do things crazy, and make sure the element or the instrument percussion that you don't want the swing to affect, you click on that and you dial this all the way down, especially the Afrobeat producers. This is something that if you don't take it, it's gonna change the groove of your beat if things are not done right. If this video helps you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. The name is God. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.